What's up? So we're out here at 62. Rode a couple laps on the indoor track and a couple on the beginner track right over here. I haven't really rode on the big bike track because it's a little big for the pit bike, but I might take a couple laps once it dies down a little bit. There's a lot of people out there. As you can see, the track is freaking packed. But we got Nick over here. His headset's locking up. So what do we got here? Some chain lube. Chain lube. Get that headset dialed in. Yeah, look at that. How is it? Pretty mid. But JTI plate holding up good. The foot pegs feel so much better than it did. But I will go ahead, throw my GoPro on my helmet, get a couple clips of the track.